and many other type of systems. Now, there are two important parts in digital electronics, like sequential circuit and the combinational circuit. The difference between the sequential and the combinational circuit is the memory block or the memory storage of both the system. In sequential circuit, we have a memorial block which is used to store the data, means the previous output. In flip flop there are two major parts. First one is present state and second one is next state. Now what we want, that we want to store a single bit number 0 and 1, and if we can store 0 and 1, definitely we can store the multiple bit number like 00111011 and etc. So our primary aim to store a single bit number 0 and 1. For this purpose, we can use the flip-flops or latches to store the bits. Now, in your examination point of view, means general examination or gate examination, there maybe might be a question for you all to convert the one type of flip flop to another type of flip flop, and discover the output or determine the output. Let's start with the flip flops. There are major four types of flip flop in digital electronics. First one is SR flip flop, second one is D flip flop, third one is JK flip flop, and fourth one is your T flip flop. We can find the SR flip flop, the truth table of the SR flip flop, the characteristic table of the SR flip flop, and the excitation table for the SR flip flop. Just a second. Now, first one is the truth table for the SR flip flop. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
For truth table, uh, important parameter is clock, then S, R, and the Qn plus 1, which is your next state. Qn is your present state, and Qn plus 1 is your next state. Initially, we put clock as 0, and after that, we will move to the clock as 1. We will write the combination for the truth table like 00, 01, 10, and 11. When we are putting clock is equal to 0, means when clock is equal to 0, the circuit will not run. So we are putting here S and R is in don't care condition. Okay. Then clock 1, 4 outputs, inputs 00, 01, 10, and 11. So we have to find out the next state, that is Qn plus 1. Here I had write when clock is equal to 0, S and R is in their initial condition. So Qn plus 1. Now what will be the value of Qn plus 1. When clock is low, whatever the value of S and R, just hold a second. When when clock is low, whatever the value of S and R, Qn1 will be Qn, means whatever the value stored in the memory before starting the SR, that will be your the present state in the next state. That means here your next state value is your present state value. Okay, is it okay? Whatever the value stored in the flip flop, whatever the value stored in flip flop is your present state. When clock changes and SR changes, when this clock changes and the SR changes, depending upon the value, the next state will be determined. When clock is high and SR is 0 and 0, when clock is high, when SR is 0 and S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, we know that it is memory. By memory I mean that the next state to be the same as your present state, means the next state is the same as your present state. That means in this case Qn plus 1 will become Qn. Okay, now see this condition. When clock is high and S and R is 1 and 1, then it will be a invalid condition. We don't use this type of configuration like S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1 in SR flip flop. So it will become invalid. Or we can in invalid condition. Now move toward this second and third condition. When clock is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1, then it will be a 0. It is also called as reset. And when clock is equal to 1, S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, then it will be a in set condition. Is it okay? Am I audible? Kunal?
Yes, ma'am, you audible. Yes, ma'am.
Huh. Is it okay? Had you understand the truth table of our SR flip flop? Now we
Yes,
are
ma'am, but your
moving.
screen is blur.
Now
Blurry दिख रहा है मैम.
अब है क्या विजिबल?
Yes, ma'am, but blur दिख रहा है. Visible है but blur दिख रहा है.
विजिबल है ना, मैं इसको शेयर कर दूंगी आप लोगों के साथ. ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am. हाँ.
बिट्स दिख रही है ना, बिट्स विजिबल है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we are moving toward the characteristic table of SR flip flop. Now we have to find the value of Qn and Qn plus 1, that is next state. The next state will be dependent on SR and the Qn. So it is very clear that the input to your this characteristic table is your Qn, SR and the output, that is Qn plus 1. So Qn, S, R, Qn plus 1. Now let's find out the value of Qn plus 1 by using the truth table. So here there are three inputs. For this we have 8 possible combination. Let me first make it. When Q is equal to Qn, that is our present state. Qn is equal to SR 00 01 10 11 00 01 10 11. Now for this present state will be 0000 and 1111. Okay. Now by considering the truth table, we have to find the value of our next state, that is Qn plus 1. Now here when S and R is equal to 0 and 0, when S and R is equal to 0 and 0, from here, from the truth table you can find the next state output. Here by looking at the truth table, when S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, our next state is equal to the present state, that is Qn. So in this characteristic table, when S and R is 0 and 0, then the next state is your present state. Here the value of the present state is 0, so I am putting the value of next state as a 0, which will be same as a this Q of n. Okay. Now when S and R is equal to 0 and 1, from this we can again move toward the truth table. 0, S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1. Here 0 and 1 will be the 0, that means the reset condition. So I am putting here the next state value is equal to 0. When S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1, then we are getting the value to be a set, so it is 1. So I am putting here it is as 1. When S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, by looking towards the truth table, it is showing as a invalid. So invalid may be denoted as a don't care. Again when S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, by taking into the consideration of the truth table value, when S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 0, the value of the next state to be a value of present state. So the value of the present state here is 1, so I am writing this as a 1. Again when S is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1, it is 0. When S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 0, it is 1. So I am writing 1. When S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1, it will be a don't care. This all which we had study is the truth table of the SR flip flop and the characteristic table of the SR flip flop. Now we have to move toward the excitation table of the SR flip-flop. Have you understood the truth table and the characteristic of the SR flip-flop? Isn't it? Now here I am writing the excitation table for SR flip-flop. Here, the excitation table is determined by the characteristic table, and ultimately the characteristic table is determining by the truth table. In excitation table, we are having a two inputs and the two output. Our two input will be uh, Qn and Qn plus 1, and two output will be S and R. Just wait a second. Now for excitation table, we are having a two input, that is Qn plus 1, and the two output, that is S and R. We are having a four combination, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay. Now for finding a output, that is S and R, we have to take into consideration the characteristic table. Now when Qn is equal to 0 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0, here in characteristic table, these two conditions are there. When Qn is equal to 0 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0. From this, there are two conditions in characteristic table when Qn is 0 and 0 and Qn plus 1 is 0 and 0. When Qn is equal to 0, then S is not shifting towards the any of the number. That is, means in both the condition S is 0. See, 0, and in the second condition is 0. So I am writing S is equal to 0 here. Okay. But when we move toward the R, uh, for Qn is equal to 0 and 0, see, R is shifting towards from 0 to 1, means 0 to 1, so it will be a flip flop, it will be a fluctuating, so I am writing R as don't care. Okay, R as don't care. Again, when Qn is equal to 0, when Qn is equal to 0 and Qn is equal to 1, this condition, when Qn is equal to 0 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 1, what will be the value of S and R? Here, the value of S is 1 and the value of R is 0. Okay. Now, when Qn is equal to 1 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0, this condition, Qn is equal to 1 and Qn1 plus 1, Qn plus 1 is 0, then the value of the SR is comes out to be 0 and 1. Okay. Now, when Qn is equal to 1 and Qn plus 1 is 1, this condition, Qn is equal to 1 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 1, and this condition, Qn is equal to 1 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 1, then for this purpose, see the value of S and R, the value of S means 0 to 1, it is different. For this condition it is 0, for this condition is 1. When it is different, we have to write as don't care. Now for R, for this condition it is 0 and for this condition it is 0. So it is comes out to be a 0. This is your the excitation table for the SR flip-flop. Now we had studied the truth table of SR flip-flop, the characteristic table of the SR flip-flop and the excitation table for the same. Is it okay? Hema, is it okay? Have you understood? Now, similarly, just I had finded out the SR flip flop. For D flip flop, JK flip flop, T flip flop, the procedure will be the same. These are the various kinds of flip flop and the truth table and the excitation table for the flip flop. Now, the major part of this is to conversion of the flip flop from one type to another type. Here at your screen, it is visible for the D flip flop. When D flip flop is a two stable flip flop, that is 0 and 1. It's having a two input 0 and 1. Whatever in the input, the next state is the output. It is 0 and 1. For the excitation table here, Q T, we are using the variable T in so many cases. It should be a N, no difference of T and N. Qt plus 1, when means next state, present state and the next state, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So D will be, for 0 0 it will be 0. Similarly for this D and OR, we have to use the same process which we had used for the SR flip flop. So I am directly here I am writing the characteristic table and the excitation table. For D 0 0, for 0 0 it will be a 0, for 0 1 it will be a 1, for 1 0 it will be of 0, and for 1 1 it will be of 1. For JK flip-flop, when J and K is equal to 0, 0 and 0, then the next state is your the present state, that is Qn. When 0 1 is equal to, when J and K is equal to 0 and 1 respectively, then the next state will be your reset. When J and K is 1 and 0, then the next state is your 1. When J and K is 1 and 1, then the next state is your the bar or the toggling state of your the present state. Means if you are having a present state of 1, then the when j and k is equal to 1 and 1, then it will be a 0. Similarly, the excitation table for the j and k flip flop is 0 when considering the present state and the next state q 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then the j and k is equal to 0, don't care. For 0 1 is equal to 1, don't care. For 1 0 it will be a don't care 1, and for 1 1 is will be of don't care 0. Now same as d flip flop, there will be a t flip flop. T is equal to 0 and 1. When t is equal to 0, then in next state it will be a present state, means next state is equal to the present state. When t is equal to 1, then your next state is the bar of your present state, means the opposite of your present state. q qt plus 1, that is the excitation table. We are getting a output as when next state, present state and the next state is equal to 0 0, then t is equal to 0. When 0 1, then we will getting as 1. When 1 0, we are getting as 1. When 1 1 is when 1 is there, when we are getting as 0. The next state, always remember, the next state is dependent on your input, that is the sr, maybe d, jk or t, and also the present state. Means always the next state is dependent on your input and the present state. You have to remember this all these things, because uh, while doing the conversation from the flip flop, converting from one flip flop to another, we have to use this the characteristic table and the excitation table of this flip flop. Now we will move towards the conversion part, which is very important for conversion from one flip flop to one another flip flop. We have to consider truth table, characteristic table, and the excitation table. Now this is our flip flop conversion. Now first one is we are converting SR flip flop to JK flip flop. Now this one is your destination flip flop. Okay. Now we have to make a table for the conversion of SR flip flop to JK flip flop. We have to make the conversion, that is J K Qn plus 1. Okay, this Qn is your present state. This Qn plus 1 is your next state. While writing, while considering this flip flop, means the flip flop we have to convert, means SR flip flop to JK flip flop, we have to take this type of this flip flop which we have to convert in the input side of the truth table. So we require the truth table of JK flip-flop while converting the flip-flop. Now the second one flip-flop, that is S and R. This flip-flop means this first one type of flip-flop is depend on the excitation table. Is it visible to you all? Is it my screen is visible to you all? Now we have to write a various type of combination which we have to use in this JK flip-flop. Uh, like 0 0. I'm making the table. See, JK, for JK, Qn is equal to 0, J is equal to 0, K is equal to 0. There will be a two condition, means for present state there will be a 0 for the same condition, or there will be a 1 for the same condition. Similarly, when I am writing the same condition here as J and K is equal to 1 and J and K is equal to 0 and 1, for present state to be a 0 and 1. Similarly, for J and K is equal to, for 1 0, it should be of 0 and 1. For 1 1, 0 and 1. Okay. For Qn plus 1, we have to see the truth table of the JK flip-flop. Now, what is the JK flip-flop? We require the truth table for the JK flip-flop. Truth table of JK flip-flop is like this. By seeing this truth table, we can find out the conversion, or we can convert the flip-flop from one form to another form. When jk is equal to 0, see, when jk is equal to 0 and 0, from truth table, it will be the present state. What is the present state value in this condition is 0. So I am writing this as 0. When jk is equal to 0, your output should be a present state. So here your output in the present state is 1. So I am writing here is 1. Similarly, when jk is equal to 0 and 1, your output is to be a reset, irrespective of the condition of your present state. That is, when j and k is 0 and 1 respectively, then your output is to be a reset. Reset means 0, and here I am writing 0. For 1 and 0, for the value of jk is equal to 1 and 0, then your output to be a in set condition. Set is denoted as 1. So for the condition for 1 and 0, I am writing here next state as 1 and 1. When the value of jk is 1 and 1, then your output of present state is to be a opposite in your next state. That is, it here it is 0, then the opposite of this, the value present in the present state, the opposite of the value will be present in the next state. So here it is 0, so I am writing here as 1, and here is 1, so I am writing here as 0. Is it okay? Okay, now this is the one part of your conversion. Now we are moving towards the second part, that is SR flip-flop. For this SR conversion, we require the excitation type table. As I already mentioned here, the we require the excitation table while converting the flip-flop from one form to another form. So here SR flip-flop, excitation table for SR flip-flop. This is the excitation table for SR flip-flop. So let's move towards this, the conversion. We have to skip the part of JK. We have the value of Qn plus 1, which is visible in your screen. When Qn is equal to 0 and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0, by looking towards the excitation table of SR, we are getting the value of when Qn is equal to 0 and Qn plus 1. So the value of SR is to become out to be 0 and don't care. So I'm writing 0 and don't care. When the value of Q and Qn plus 1 is respectively 1 and 1, then the value to be come out by looking towards the excitation table is don't care 0. So I have to write this don't care 0. For 0 and 1, it will be a 0 and don't care. For 0 0, it will be of 0 don't care. For 1 0, for 1 0, for 1 0, it will be of 0 1. So I am writing here 0 and 1. Again for 0 1, 1 0. For 1 1, I had already written for the condition 1 1, don't care 0. For 0 and 1, it will be 1 0, and for 1 0, it will be of 0 and 1. Students, this is the conversion part. We had convert the SR flip-flop to the JK flip-flop. Now we will convert the SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. So the flip-flop which we have to convert is in the form of D. So I have to write the first part for conversion is D, and for second part SR. For D, it 0 0 1 1, Qn is equal to 0 1 0 1, as D is your 2 variable. Okay. Now Qn plus 1, S and R. Student, for D, when D is equal to 0, the output for the next state is 0. Irrespective of this present state, whatever the value of D in D, it will move toward the next state. That means here D is 0, then next state is your D 0. If D is equal to 0, then next state is your 0. If D is 1, then next state is your 1. And if D is equal to 1, and then next state is your 1. From this, we are getting a value of Qn, that is your present state, and value of Qn plus 1 is that is your next state. From this, we can find out the value of S and R. When Qn is equal to, by looking towards the excitation table, when Qn is equal to 0 and 0, the value of SR to be come out to be 0 and 1. From this, the value when Qn and Qn plus 1 is equal to 0 and 0 respectively, the value of SR is 0 and don't care. Similarly, when Qn is equal to 1, 0, the value of SR is 0, 1. When is 0 and 1, then it will be 1, 0. When it is 1 and 1, then it is don't care, 0. Okay. Now, in MCQs types of questions, or in uh, gate question, you may be asked the question like while converting the SR flip flop to D flip flop, what will be the value of S flip flop and R flip flop? So this value can be find through the K map. So to find the value of S, we have to use the K map, two variable K map. We are writing this for S flip flop. So for 0 it will be 0, for 1 it will be 0, for 2 it will be 1, for 3 it will be don't care, for 2 it will be a 1, so I'm writing 1, for 3 it will be a don't care. We are having a pairing here, so we have to evaluate the equation for the S flip flop, that is S is equal to, for this Qn is changing from, it is varying from 0 to 1. So whenever there is change in the K map, we don't have to mention this bit, that is Qn. We have to ignore this bit. Here, this two value is only dependent on this D, that is 1. So the value of S to become out to be D. Okay. Now, while evaluating for R, D, Q, N, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. For R, this, for this is 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0, it is don't care. For 1, it will be a 1. Don't care. For 2, it is 0. For 3, it is 0. So, we are making a pairing of this 0 and 1. For this, as this is changing, again, Qn is changing from 0 to 1. So, we don't have to mention this bit, Qn bit in the K map. We only have to mention this, the value of D. Here D is 0, so R is equal to D bar. Yes, in multiple choice question, the question will be appeared as while converting the SR flip flop to D flip flop, find out the value of S and R. There will be a four question that S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, or S is equal to D, R is equal to Q and bar. From this, from that question you have to choose any one of that. So you have to do all this process which we have done to find the value of the S and R, isn't it? Any doubt? Is anyone having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Kunal,
No,
anyone
ma'am.
having any doubt regarding conversion process? Conversion from one flip flop to another flip flop is a uh, very important part in your digital electronics, and these types of questions may be asked in your gate examination to find out the values of S and R while converting from this flip flop, means one flip flop to another flip flop. So all these are the process for converting the one form of flip flop to the another form of flip flop. Okay. Okay, Kunal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.